It's raining!
We're in Windermere. I'm already out of breath.
We made it to the top. It has finally stopped raining. So let's go take a look at the view. We just spotted a squirrel. We were hoping it was a red one, because we never saw a red squirrel, but it wasn't. But apparently... I spotted a squirrel. Greetings from the squirrel forest. Still no red squirrel in sight. We did spotted some grey ones. We have found a red squirrel sitting here next to us. Good morning. Unfortunately, it's our last day in England. We just checked out and now we are at Aira Force. We're gonna have a hike towards the apparently the prettiest waterfall in England. There's supposed to be red squirrels here everywhere, so we're also gonna spot them. Probably not. The squirrel feeder. It's very impressive. How happy are you?
Really happy.
We spotted the red squirrel last day in England.
Subscribe please.
Cheers! We are heading back to the Netherlands. One night in the boat. We had a lovely time in England. Very beautiful nature in the Lake District. Would 100% recommend. Lots of friendly people, nice food. So, what more do you want? Alright, if you made it this far in the video, make sure to subscribe. And then we'll see you in another video. Bye!
Did you have a nice rest, Lena? Yeah. How was the boat trip?